Alright guys, in this video we're going to unclog a slow draining sink. If your sink is anything like this, if you're tired of your sink filling up with water, then you want to watch this video. Alright, so as you can see, it's filling up with water. It's obviously got a clog in there. Could be hair, toothpaste, or whatever it may be. I'm going to show you guys how to clean it out. It shouldn't take 5 minutes to drain your sink. You can start off by taking this cap off here. You unscrew it counterclockwise. Comes off pretty easy. For a 5-minute fix, you can just go through and kind of pull out what you can out of here. It'll temporarily fix your problem. But if you got a lot of stuff down in there, then you need to go from underneath the sink and get this piece out. This piece is connected to your lever up here that makes it go up and down. So we got to go back there and unconnect that lever that connects to this, and then we can pull this right out and we can properly clean it. Alright, you want to make sure you got space down here. Alright, well hopefully you guys can see it all down here, okay? So that lever at the top that makes it go up and down is this is connected to it. This little stem here is connected to the top lever that makes your stopper go up and down. And to take out that piece, you have to loosen this nut. It's really simple. All you have to do is pinch this piece and slide it off. There's that piece. It comes off real easy just by pinching it. And then you can slide this piece out of the way. And then we just have to get this piece out here. So you might need a pair of pliers for this. Alright, mine came out pretty simply. Mine's pretty loose. Now just in case this is plugged up, you want to put a bucket underneath so you don't spill it. You want to make sure you have a bowl underneath here before you unscrew anything. Just in case this is really clogged up and a lot of water comes out. For the most part, it's usually pretty dry. Most of the water escapes eventually. So you're gonna loosen that, and you should be able to pull this piece right out of there. Alright, so it pops right out. That's your seal that stops the water from coming out. So you want to make sure this isn't damaged when you put it back in. If it is damaged, you want to replace the stem. But this is good enough to go back in after I clean it out. But that should release the piece on the top now, so let's go back up top. Now this is where it could get nasty. You probably got a bunch of hair in it. Oh yeah, there's a ton of hair in there. Who would have thought there'd be that much hair in your sink? So once you get all your hair and toothpaste off of it, this is what it should look like. And then you want to put the flat piece on the back into there. And we're going to have to line that back up with that piece that we took out. So you don't want to drop it back in there because it could fall down. So this is easier with two people. So I'm going to put the stem in the hole so you don't drop this piece into your sink. You have to lower that piece down to the stem at the same time. So I'm gonna put this in first so she can lower that to where we know where they are, and then she's gonna drop it down as far as she can, and I'm gonna try to get this in the hole until we know we're locked in, and then she can let go. You don't want to let go until you know this pin is in there or you'll drop it. You ready? Mm-hmm. Are we in?
I think so.
You can't pull it up?
No.
And you can't put it down?
No.
Alright, we're locked and loaded. So now we know we're connected here. Alright, so you saw from above, I just put this in the hole from underneath until we know we're connected, and then I tighten this down while she was holding it. So now we know we're not going to lose it. So now we just got to adjust the height of this. Once that's all back to normal, you can put your stopper back on. Once you get that connected again, should drain like brand new. Once you get it to the height you want it, put that clip back on it. You're gonna adjust how high you want this piece. And it's perfect. Like new again. Thanks for watching.